Hello guys, welcome to my channel N Easy One. So in this video I want to show you how you can earn free 0.1 toncoin every minute without you depositing any money into it or tapping your phone. So this particular toncoin given to you, you earn it for free. You are not paying anything to it. So this toncoin, how you earn this toncoin is that you have to like spin the wheel, and once you spin that wheel you earn some free toncoin. And you can see on my balance, you can see that I currently have about 0.1 toncoin, and this 0.1 toncoin which I have on my balance is given to me for free. I didn't deposit anything to this particular bot. So in order for you to get started, I'll be dropping the link to this particular bot in the description of my video, and all you need to do is to go ahead and enter this bot. And once you enter this bot, you earn some free toncoin from just by playing this game. And you can see the name of this bot is called rewards.com. So once you enter the bot, all you need to do is to click on where it says start, and once you start the bot, this is what the interface will bring to you. So all what you need to do, you can see it where it says welcome to rewards.com casino. This is not a game, this is just like a game, but you are not betting any money to this particular bot. All you need to do is to spin, and once you spin you earn some free toncoin. So once you subscribe, all you need to do is go ahead and complete all these tasks given to you. You can see where it says subscribe and claim 0.56 toncoin. This task given to you will not, they are not going to give you this money showing on the screen. All you need to do is go ahead and subscribe to all this channel and this channel given to you. And once you subscribe to it, all you need to do is go ahead and click on say check subscription. So let me go ahead and complete all these tasks. So as you can see, I've successfully completed all the tasks given to me. So you can see this is how your interface will look like. You can see where it says slot, profile and tax. So this slot is just the game in which you play, and that game which you play you earn some free toncoin. So let me go ahead and click on where it says slot. So once I click on where it says slots, you can see how the interface looks like. You can see when once you win 7777, you earn 0.15 toncoin. Once you, this is how the game interface looks like, and each game this thing has their price. So all you need to do is go ahead and click on play, and once you click on play, the you see a spinning wheel below in your down section. So all you need to do is to click on spin. So once you click on spin, you can see that it's spinning. So let's wait for it to spin. So you can see that I've successfully earned some free toncoin. You can see my balance here is 0.0028481 toncoin. All you need to do is continue spinning this wheel to earn this free toncoin. And once you earn this free toncoin, you can easily withdraw it to your tonkeeper address, and you have to come here every 10 minutes to play this game. And not only that, in order you can earn more by performing some tasks. So once I click on the task section, you can see on the task, let me go ahead and click on task one. So once I click on that task one, they'll be giving me a task in which I need to complete, and once I complete that task, I'll be earning some free ton. So let's wait for the task to load. So you can see the task in which they give you to complete. All you need to do is go ahead and subscribe to this particular Telegram channel. Once you click on this, subscribe on this particular Telegram channel, all you need to do is to click on where it says subscribe. So let me go ahead and subscribe to this particular Telegram channel. So click on where it says subscribe. So you can see that I've earned some free 30 dogs, and these dogs which I earn, I can easily withdraw it. So there are two tasks given to you. So you can see that we have completed the task one. So let's go ahead and complete the task two. And the task two, you can see that I earn 10 note coin, and this 10 note coin I can easily withdraw it. And most of you will asking whether this particular token which I'm earning from it, whether can I withdraw it. Yes, you can easily withdraw it. Remember, this is my balance. You can see this the amount of toncoin which I have. So all you need to do to withdraw your toncoin or your note or your dogs is go ahead and click on where it says profile. So once you click on where it says profile, you can see your balance. You can see the balance in which the balance of your toncoin and dogs in which you have earned. So all you need to do, you can see where it says withdraw. So once we click on where it says withdraw, you can see the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.2 ton, and you can see the balance in which I have is 0.0028. So once I reach the minimum amount of 0.2 ton, I can easily withdraw my 0.2 ton either to my ton wallet or either my ton keeper, depending on your choice. So you can see that you can easily withdraw and free ton coin in this particular bot. You are not paying anything to this bot. All you need to do is to go ahead and click on where it says slot, and once you click on where it says slot, you earn some free ton coin by just playing the game, and those games in which you play, you earn some free ton coin. So these all how you can earn some free ton coins. So if you find this video helpful, so all I need from you guys is to like and subscribe to my channel, and easy one, and also turn on the bell notification for more updates coming your way. So peace out.